I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air. Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air.
Hey, new coupe outfit with a Gucci rag tied to my belt loop and my Louis bag full of stacks, rubber bands, round big cash. Got a six swag, tell the haters get mad. Come on, we in the club, homes, getting our thug on, bottles of Patron. If you grown, get your buzz on. We bought the bars out and brought the cars out. I'm like the moon high, shining, bring the stars out. When it dark out, get the squad out. We ball hard, sucker, eat your heart out. I'm too advanced, stupid swag in my Louis pants, falling on my Louis shoe shirt, match my Louis rag.
Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air. Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air.
I say, whoa, keep wasabi, big ballin' is my hobby. I'm bopping while I'm walking, rag falling out my pocket. If big money ain't the topic, homie, I ain't even talking. Hated on by the workers, but I'm cool with all the bosses. Got me flossin' at the mall, talking to a girl. She follow me in Gucci and I taught her how to ball. Bought 3 pair of shoes, 4 shirts, 6 rags. Chick said, bag, that's more than my bag. Shout it, I can show you how to spend this bread real fast. Then get a group of chicks, they give you real fast. Silk scarf hanging out of my jeans. Nah, homie, I ain't banking, I'm just doing my thing.
Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air. Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air.
Hey, I took some time off, and now I'm back, y'all. You in the line at the club, I'm in the back, dawg. And when the song on, ballers peel stacks off. And make it rain on them bras, watch your stacks fall. Hey, pull your rag out, and wave it left, right. Let it sand with your pants, get your swag just right. Brian Brankhead, flat flying out the bins. What's the fool with it? Ooh, we gon' bring them out again.
Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air. Alright, okay, I don't dance, no way. I just take my Louis rag out and wear it around in the air. Take my Gucci rag out and wear it around in the air. Swing! Blow.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Fuck with your boy. Yeah. It's Santana.
Yeah, man. I'm back at it.
Come on.
Thank you, niggas and bitches. I'm back on my A game. Is you getting the picture?
What up?
And last album, they don't like me to tell this. They undershit my record, they ain't expect me to sell shit.
Shut up.
That's what they telling me. Switch up your melody. You hot, but if you go pop, your record'll be selling 3. Fuck off. I ain't no damn puppet. I'ma do what I wanna do, just as long as my fans love it. And if that can't cut it, fuck it, drop me, watch me blow up on another label. I'm hot. You better realize, Pa, I'm a real live star. Ask your kids if they feel my bars, they'll tell you, hell yeah. Ask him, is he just running his mouth, or is he really the one to look out for? They'll tell you, hell yeah, he's the one to look out for. He's not just running his mouth, y'all. They'll tell you, no way, I've been hotter than you do. To me, this shit is easier than tying my 2 shoes. You young cats sound old and retired, like your flow's on a guy. You ain't feeding the people right. It's like food when I rap, they get full when I rap. Like Slick Rick said, the ruler is back.
8 a.m., open my eyes. Yeah, kick my bitch, tell her open the blinds. And I'm over the stove at 9. Yeah, I'm cooking breakfast for the block, then I let her cook mine. Yeah, quick line in the bathroom before we bounce. Not me, I mean her. She go a day, a ounce, dang. Y'all pray for her while I'm at the bus station, and I'm really sitting low as I wait for ya. I'm getting dough, I'm a paper. Boy, I will take ya for the right paper. Boy, I will take her, shake her, tape her, waist up, send her to the money, she be back before I wake up. Ha, get your cake up, y'all niggas lamed up. She probably get your game up when I'm giving the game up. My name Wayne, what? Hot boy, flame up. You niggas tryna change up, and I'm getting my change.